Hi, I'm Dr. Amber Wolf, and I am the co-creator and one of the facilitators of the Discovery Workshop that we're having this year at Kananaskis Resort in Alberta, not far from Banff in beautiful Canada. Discovery is unique. It is really about internal discovery, and I've been leading this workshop since the turn of the new millennium, and I've loved watching the way that people have awakenings and transformation, and it really does change lives. Ceremonies have been created and brought forth through Kryon, through the book The Journey Home, to give you some hints there, and people's lives are changed. They feel connected, they feel uplifted, and for me, the honor and the privilege of watching that is, it's such a blessing that every time we do Discovery again, I feel is another opportunity for me to witness the beautiful unfolding of people's lives. So if you can join us, we would love to have you. I know you'll experience the wonder of Gaia there. It's just a beautiful place, very close to Canada National Parks, which actually have free admission this year because they're celebrating 150th National Park anniversary. So come and join us, play in Gaia, discover something enriching for you.